Hello, YouTube. This is Jerry the Journeyman. Okay, so I just came home just right now from my bowling practice, and outside the front door was a package from WWE from the UPS, and it looks like to me like it's going to be another plaque. Okay. But the thing is, I didn't order a plaque. But I have a suspicion that my Uncle Vroovis purchased me another. Because as you know, if you see my other video, he went to in New Orleans, the WrestleMania Superstore, and he surprised me with the Sasha Banks. So, quickly, I want to open this, but I just need to confirm real quick with Uncle Vroovis that this is for me. I assume because everybody else make fun of me for liking wrestling. They say it's fake, it's stupid, and I said, well, the TV shows you watch, that's fake. All the TV shows, everything's fake, okay? So, hold on, let me see. I have to, I'm gonna put this down, hold on. Excuse me, but I need this to confirm because I don't want to be rude, okay? Vroovis? Uncle Vroovis? Vroovis? Uncle Vroovis? Uncle Vroovis? I'm sorry. Uncle Vroovis? Yes, it's me.
That you?
Yes.
What, is the police here?
No, not the police.
No police?
No, I'm talking about the wrestling plaque.
Yes, the plaque is for you.
Oh, it is?
For the hard work that you do for me.
Okay.
I'm very proud of you, Jerry.
Yes.
You is my #1 nephew.
Okay.
I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will.
It's a very good one to add to your collection.
I'm very excited.
You just keep doing the good work,
I will.
and I will keep buying you very nice collectibles and presents.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
Alright, you go open it.
Okay.
Go back to sleep. But when I wake up, you tell me all about it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep. Oh, sorry to wake you. Okay, sorry. Okay, I got this confirmation. Sorry, I just woke him up from a nap. He come back from, I don't know, somewhere in Miami to do some work. I don't know. But anyway, he said this is for my hard work for him. I assume he's talking about, I had to leave this, he told me to leave like this little package up by the mountain somewhere, under, and he said to leave it, and I did, and I came back. But anyway, doesn't matter what that is. So anyway, sorry to waste time. Okay, so here's the box. The box. I got the boxing knife again. Okay, I don't know who this is. I don't know who this plaque is. See, I showed you before, I have the Edge is Styles. I already have a Sasha. So I'm gonna guess maybe it's the Alexa Bliss, maybe it's a Carmella. I hope it's one of them. I don't know. I don't really like any other male wrestlers too much, but we're gonna see. Maybe it's a Charlotte Flair. So, okay. So I'm going to open the box, and we're going to be surprised once again together. Okay? So I'm going to cut right here. Hold on, sorry. Okay, I'm cutting the box. Boom. Again. Now this side, I don't know. What did he do? I don't even know why he surprises me like this. Oh, I can't wait to know. Oh, my Uncle Vroovis, he was always giving me stuff since I was a little boy. I don't know, he has so much money. I don't even know where he gets it from, but he always spoils his little nephew, Jerry. Sorry. Okay, this thing is a little pain. sorry. Not. Let me see. Okay, I got. Hold on, I'm gonna set this down. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna so I can read it quicker. Okay. God darn this thing, this is so tricky. Tricky. It's so tricky to open. Dar. I don't know. Sorry, but you know this isn't planned. You know this is. You're sorry. You know this is the real. This is not the fake unboxing video. Otherwise, I would have had this planned out. Okay, this is all surprise. I don't know. Who is this gonna be? Who's it gonna be this time? Who's it gonna be for Jerry? I need to put. I'll put this one next to my Sasha one. Okay. I think I got it. I think I got the box finally opened. I apologize. We're already 6 minutes in. You probably just want to know who the hell the Plaque is, and you want my review of the unboxing. So here we go. Sorry, once again. Okay, I tore it. There we go. There we go. Okay, sorry. Okay, look. There we go. Okay, look at this. Okay, look at this envelope. It's probably a certificate of authenticity, but I don't want to open that yet because I want to be surprised. Oh, look at this, okay? It looks smaller. Okay, I can't tell who it is. Is this a small one? Oh no, I hope he didn't. Oh, I hope he didn't give me the one I already have, AJ Styles one. Oh no. Okay, here we go. The grand unveiling of the Plaque. I'm going to flip it. I don't hear no broken pieces of the glass. So I'm going to flip it. And we're going to be surprised once again. All together. Here we go. Oh my God, it's another Sasha Banks. And the Bayley. What is this one? Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh, look, it's got the piece of their uniforms. Oh, look at this. Look at this Sasha one. Look right there. Oh, look at this. She signed it in silver. This is from Battleground, number 29 of 50. But look at this little piece. See, it's got the yellow, but it's got a little jewel. Let's look at the picture. What do you think this piece on her? I bet. Oh, see, look right there. You can see on. Look. Okay. You see the armbands. How it's yellow. I think this is part of her armband. Okay. Yeah, it's probably good. I bet you get some weird people who want the bra or the underwear. That's just a little weird. And then we got the Bayley. Okay, you see this? Okay, oh, it's sparkly pink. Now I'm gonna look on her thing. Okay, I'm gonna suggest, see, you can see right there on her belt. Yep, I bet that's part of her belt. She signed it in silver. Oh my God, another Sasha Banks. She's on my all-time favorite already. She's on my all-time favorite since she was in the NXT. Bayley, you know, I'm not the biggest fan, but you know, they're best friends in real life, so that's cool. But look at that. Oh my God, they both signed it. I didn't even know this one existed. Oh, sorry about the lights. Oh, okay. So look, it's got the black trim again, like the other ones. Or now look. Okay, I'm gonna flip it, and it says the row here. Okay, 2016 Battleground. Yes, it's got a little hook to mount it on your wall. Oh, I can't believe he do this to me. Why does he do this? Oh gosh. I can't wait to thank him again. All I did for him was just drive in the mountains and leave something, and I don't know. And then he just gives me this just to go drop something off. I don't know. But anyway, so the Plaque, I don't know how big it is. It look like it may be, I don't know how big that is. It could be 10 by 18, 12 by 18. Anyway, it's got the plexiglass like the other. And see, 129 to 50. Now, honestly, I know some people like to freak out. They want the number 1 of number 50. They want number 50 of 50. What does it really matter? It's not like the number 1 of 50 was the first one made, like a first edition book. They make all 50, and then some intern takes a marker, grabs a stack of 50 and goes out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and etc., etc., until he gets to 50, okay? Then he gets to 50, so it's not like that a big a deal of the number. I could get some rubbing alcohol, rest that, get a silver pen, write number 1, and nobody knows. And if you find it on eBay, you meet somebody who has number 1, you say, I got the real number 1. You can't prove it. But I wouldn't do that because I don't really care about the numbers. That's just kind of stupid. But anyway, let's get one last close-up. You got the Bayley with a little piece of what appears to be the waistband, possibly. Or it could be right on the top. It could be there. Okay, cool. And we got the Sasha, an authentic piece of her uniform. Look at that. It's got the little jewel. So, you look there one more time. I assume it's on the strap on their arms. Or most likely because it's different colors there. So, yes. So, anyway, I got 2 Sasha Baker plaques now. I was just so happy again. But anyway, this video, it dragged on too long. I don't know. This is the something that I want to share with you. I want to share the generosity of my Uncle Vroovis. I love him. He saw my last video. I guess apparently, he like it made him feel so good. Now he's gonna start to doing this for me all the time. Even though I don't want to take from him, but he insists I do it. But anyway, thank you YouTube to watching my unboxing video. I will possibly have some more of plaques, maybe some cards, whatever. Oh wait, okay, sorry, here, real quick. I don't want to annoy you. Look, okay, so the envelope, let's look quick. Oh, that's a different. Oh, it's signed by Kevin Moore. Cool, whoever you are, cool man. But look at that. Okay, there's a COA to prove this is real. This isn't a piece of the uniform from a local jobber. You know, a local talent. They didn't cut up their uniform and do that. That's really the piece in that picture. Thank you. One last time. I love you guys. Bye-bye.